AV Technologies presents Job Training and Internship Programs. For computer and non-computer graduates, all semesters welcome. Work on real-time business projects. Get hands-on industry experience. Learn from experienced professionals. Boost your skills and career opportunities. Join now and build your future with AV Technology. AV Technologies presents Job-Oriented Training and Internship Programs. For computer and non-computer graduates, all semesters welcome. Job training we offer. Full-stack web development, MERN, PHP, MySQL, cloud computing and AWS DevOps. Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Labs. Python and machine learning. Data science with real projects. Graphic designing with creative tools. What you get: real-time business projects. Hands-on experience in live AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Labs. Work with Sandbox Environments. Learn from industry experts. Resume building and interview preparation. Start your career with practical skills and real industry exposure. Join AV Technologies, your gateway to the tech industry.